In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix USB drive not showing up on iPhone, Android, phone, or TV. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, the most common reason a USB drive won't show up on a device is an incompatible file system. So most iPhones, Androids, and TVs require the Exfat format because it supports large files while remaining compatible across different operating systems. So what you want to have to do is format to Exfat. So what you want to do is on a PC, have your drive connected. If you have anything in here that's not backed up somewhere else, literally just make a folder on your desktop called T7 Touch or whatever it's called for you, and then literally just go ahead and drag and drop everything into that folder that you make. And then you can format. So that way you won't lose anything. So what you want to do is right click on your drive, go ahead and click format, which is going to be right here. And then you just want to go ahead and select the Exfat file system if you obviously go ahead and see it. And then allocation size should be set to default. Instead of quick format, just put it on normal and then go ahead and start it. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. Then when you plug it in to your iPhone, Android, or TV, you'll be able to see it because it's going to be an Exfat format. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.